And on that note, let's go deadlift 450 pounds. Get it! So I said I wouldn't be doing this again, but I'm in McDonald's again. It's Thursday, I'm gonna deadlift today. Just woke up, we have no food in the house, and I'm so lazy to go out and cook something. So, this is what we're working with today. Went with one order of pancakes, no calorie-free, sucralose-laden Walden Farm syrup. I got this Rio omelet, something, a McMuffin. So that's gonna be breakfast. Hopefully I don't get ill today. Yeah. Okay, breakfast has been consumed. It's 10:23 in the morning on Thursday, August 18th. Deadlifts will go down at about 2 p.m. today, so I've got a little bit of time to kill and some time to digest this food. It was pretty good. I would give it like an 8 out of 10. I think the pancakes with normal syrup and shouldn't wreak havoc on my stomach like the pancakes before. So anyways, we'll see, and yeah, time to go hit a PR. Hope so.
Set the tone, let's go! Strong pull, tight. Up! Fuck yeah.
That was a lot better than the other ones.
First set. Start strong, let's go! Tight! Glutes! Fucking too easy. Again! Big air! Pull! Easy! Come on, Tommy, focus up! Got 2 more. Tight. Glutes. Got 1 more in you. Dig deep. Come on. Easy. Last pull. Up! Ah!
I'm definitely tired today.
Focus up. Get tight. Squeeze that bar. Pull. Easy. Too fucking easy. You're halfway there. Up! Up!
Wow. Woo. Not bad.
This is it. Last set, you end strong. Get it. Big air. 3. Pull. Good. Tight. Dig, Tom. Dig. Dig. You got one more. This is it. How bad you want this? Come on! You pull! Pull! Get it up!
I got it.
Knock it out!
Time to rack it.